I ain't wasting no time. Finna go pick up my friend, and we heading straight to the muffler shop. I'm getting this shit today. You hear me? I'm getting my shit straight piped today. You know what I'm saying? I ain't say good morning to none of y'all, but hey, it's whatever. I ain't tripping. Cause right now I need my shit straight piped today, dog. So we finna go get my little cameraman. Bless you, baby girl. But yeah, we finna I'm finna go get my cameraman, and he gonna be vlogging for me for the whole day. So, but yeah, man, we finna head to this mother shop today, bruh. On my way to the motherfucking time. I'll see y'all when I'm there. Hey y'all, look, we made it, but they kind of busy right now. But no, we just chilling in the car right now today. Get down the ugly ass Crown Vic back there with 2 flags and shit. Ugly ass, and little dreads ass. But yeah, we already here, but. I ain't seen this shit meaningful.
Damn, I'm breaking this shit.
Oh
God. Froby. Oh my God. I missed.
I'm trying to zoom in out there. I'm so like. Hey, y'all know what it be to. Y'all know what it is, man. They make these with it too.
Fuck the game.
Bro, this shit minute, man.
Hold on.
Yeah, man. Just going up there now, man. You know what I'm saying? Hey, that shit right there, and be gone. Yep. Finally getting this shit done, man. I ain't gonna lie. It's hot as fuck! There's a big walk party, you know what I'm saying? Slow motion. Slow they been nasty, fool. What the fuck? Nah, they been crazy. I ain't gonna lie. Hold on, do one more pull. Hold on. And it's a perfect street too. Watch that. My nigga finna hate me for this shit, but fuck it. Fuck it, man.
Say fuck 'em.
Fuck him. Fuck him. Fuck him. Bro, that bitch sound aggressive as fuck, man.